Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a book that's a must-read for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial freedom through rental properties. The book on rental property investing by Brandon Turner. If you've ever dreamed of quitting your 9-to-5 job, generating passive income, and building a real estate empire, this book is for you. Brandon Turner, a real estate investor, entrepreneur, and co-host of the Bigger Pockets podcast, shares his proven strategies, tips, and systems for succeeding in rental property investing. This isn't just a book about theory. It's a practical, step-by-step guide filled with actionable advice, real-life examples, and proven systems to help you find, finance, and manage rental properties. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this book will give you the tools to confidently navigate the world of rental property investing. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's explore the key ideas, lessons, and takeaways from this game-changing book. Overview of the book. The book on rental property investing is divided into 3 main sections, each focusing on a different aspect of rental property investing. 1. The foundation of rental property investing. Turner explains the fundamentals of rental property investing, including the benefits, risks, and key metrics to evaluate properties. 2. The process of rental property investing. Turner provides a step-by-step guide to finding, financing, and managing rental properties, including strategies for analyzing deals, securing financing, and building a team. 3. The mindset and systems of successful investors. Turner discusses the mindset, habits, and systems of successful rental property investors, emphasizing the importance of discipline, education, and continuous improvement. Through a mix of inspiring stories, actionable strategies, and proven systems, Turner provides a comprehensive roadmap for achieving financial freedom through rental property investing. Key themes and lessons. Let's break down the core lessons and themes from the book on rental property investing. These are the ideas that have made this book a go-to resource for rental property investors. 1. The benefits of rental property investing. One of the central themes of the book is the benefits of rental property investing. Turner explains that rental properties offer multiple streams of income, including cash flow, appreciation, tax benefits, and loan paydown. Example. Turner shares the story of an investor who purchased a duplex for $200,000. The investor rented out both units, generating $2,000 per month in rental income. After expenses, the investor had a positive cash flow of $500 per month. Over time, the property appreciated in value, and the investor was able to refinance and purchase additional properties. The takeaway: rental properties offer multiple streams of income and are a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. 2. The risks of rental property investing. Turner also discusses the risks of rental property investing, including vacancies, maintenance costs, and bad tenants. He emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing these risks to succeed in rental property investing. Example. Turner shares the story of an investor who purchased a rental property without thoroughly screening tenants. The tenants stopped paying rent and caused significant damage to the property, resulting in a financial loss for the investor. Turner explains that thorough tenant screening and proper property management can help mitigate these risks. The lesson: understanding and managing risks is essential for success in rental property investing. Always conduct thorough due diligence and have contingency plans in place. 3. The key metrics for evaluating rental properties. Turner introduces the key metrics used to evaluate rental properties, including cash flow, cash-on-cash return, cap rate, and gross rent multiplier. He explains how to calculate and use these metrics to analyze potential investments. Example. Turner provides a step-by-step example of how to calculate cash flow. Suppose a property generates $1,500 in monthly rental income and has $1,000 in monthly expenses: mortgage, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, etc. The monthly cash flow would be $500, $1,500, $1,000. The takeaway: understanding key metrics is essential for evaluating rental properties. Always analyze a property's cash flow potential and other key metrics before making an investment decision. 4. The importance of location. Turner emphasizes the importance of location in rental property investing. He explains that the location of a property can significantly impact its rental income, appreciation potential, and overall success. Example: Turner shares the story of an investor who purchased a property in a declining neighborhood. Despite the property's low purchase price, the investor struggled to find tenants and experienced low rental income and poor appreciation. Turner explains that investing in strong, stable neighborhoods with good schools, low crime rates, and strong job markets is essential for success. The lesson: location is a critical factor in rental property investing. Always research the neighborhood and market conditions before purchasing a property. 5. The process of finding great deals. Turner provides a detailed guide to finding great deals on rental properties. He explains that finding undervalued properties with strong potential for cash flow and appreciation is essential for success in rental property investing. Example: Turner shares several strategies for finding great deals, including networking with real estate agents, attending foreclosure auctions, using online tools, and driving for dollars. He also emphasizes the importance of building a network of real estate professionals to help you find off-market deals. The lesson: finding great deals is essential for success in rental property investing. Use multiple strategies to find undervalued properties with strong potential for cash flow and appreciation. 6. The importance of financing. Turner discusses the importance of financing in rental property investing. He explains that securing the right financing can significantly impact your return on investment and overall success. Example: Turner provides a detailed explanation of different financing options, including conventional loans, FHA loans, hard money loans, and private money loans. He also discusses the importance of building relationships with lenders and understanding the terms and conditions of your financing. The takeaway: securing the right financing is essential for success in rental property investing. Always compare financing options and choose the one that maximizes your return on investment. 7. The role of property management. Turner emphasizes the importance of property management in rental property investing. He explains that effective property management is essential for maintaining cash flow, minimizing vacancies, and keeping tenants happy. Example: Turner shares the story of an investor who struggled with property management and experienced high turnover and low rental income. After hiring a professional property management company, the investor was able to improve cash flow and reduce vacancies. The lesson: effective property management is essential for success in rental property investing. Consider hiring a professional property management company to handle day-to-day operations and tenant relations. 8. The importance of building a team. Turner discusses the importance of building a team in rental property investing. He explains that having a team of real estate professionals, including agents, lenders, contractors, and property managers, is essential for success. Example: Turner shares the story of an investor who built a successful rental property portfolio by networking with local real estate agents and contractors. The investor was able to find great deals, secure financing, and manage properties effectively through relationships with their team. The lesson: building a team is essential for success in rental property investing. Network with real estate professionals and build relationships to find great deals, secure financing, and manage properties effectively. 9. The mindset of successful investors. Turner emphasizes the importance of mindset in rental property investing. He explains that successful investors have a mindset of discipline, persistence, and continuous learning. Example: Turner shares the story of an investor who faced numerous challenges, including bad tenants, unexpected repairs, and market downturns. Despite these challenges, the investor remained disciplined and focused on their long-term goals, ultimately building a successful rental property portfolio. The takeaway: the mindset of a successful investor is characterized by discipline, persistence, and continuous learning. Adopting this mindset is essential for success in rental property investing. 10. The importance of systems and processes. Turner discusses the importance of systems and processes in rental property investing. He explains that having systems in place for lead generation, deal analysis, property management, and portfolio growth is essential for success. Example: Turner provides a detailed system for generating leads, including techniques for finding motivated sellers, such as direct mail campaigns, online marketing, and networking. He also provides a system for analyzing deals, including a step-by-step process for evaluating cash flow, expenses, and potential returns. The lesson: implementing systems and processes is essential for success in rental property investing. Use proven systems to streamline your processes and maximize your efficiency. Actionable takeaways. Now that we've covered the key lessons, let's talk about how you can apply these principles in your own rental property investments. Here are some actionable steps inspired by the book on rental property investing. 1. Understand the benefits and risks. Recognize the benefits of rental property investing, including cash flow, appreciation, and tax benefits, but also understand and manage the risks. 2. Analyze key metrics. Use key metrics like cash flow, cash-on-cash return, cap rate, and gross rent multiplier to evaluate potential rental properties. 3. Focus on location. Research the neighborhood and market conditions before purchasing a property. Invest in strong, stable neighborhoods with good schools, low crime rates, and strong job markets. 4. Find great deals. Use multiple strategies to find undervalued properties with strong potential for cash flow and appreciation. Network with real estate professionals and use online tools to find off-market deals. 5. Secure the right financing. Compare financing options and choose the one that maximizes your return on investment. Build relationships with lenders and understand the terms and conditions of your financing. 6. Manage properties effectively. Consider hiring a professional property management company to handle day-to-day operations and tenant relations. Effective property management is essential for maintaining cash flow and minimizing vacancies. 7. Build a team. Network with real estate professionals, including agents, lenders, contractors, and property managers. Build relationships to find great deals, secure financing, and manage properties effectively. 8. Adopt the right mindset. Develop a mindset of discipline, persistence, and continuous learning. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't be swayed by short-term challenges. 9. Implement systems and processes. Use proven systems for lead generation, deal analysis, property management, and portfolio growth. Streamline your processes to maximize your efficiency and success. 10. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, learn as you go, and take consistent action toward your goals. Criticisms and controversies. While the book on rental property investing has been widely praised for its practical advice and actionable strategies, it's not without its critics. Some argue that the book is too focused on the U.S. real estate market and may not be applicable to investors in other countries. Others believe that the book's emphasis on systems and processes may lead investors to overlook the importance of creativity and adaptability in rental property investing. However, the book's strength lies in its ability to provide a clear, actionable roadmap for building wealth through rental properties. Even if not every strategy is applicable to everyone, the principles of understanding key metrics, managing risks, and taking action are valuable for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom through rental property investing. Conclusion: the book on rental property investing is a must-read for anyone serious about building wealth and achieving financial freedom through rental properties. Brandon Turner's proven strategies, actionable advice, and inspiring stories make this book an invaluable resource for finding, financing, and managing rental properties. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this book will give you the tools to confidently navigate the world of rental property investing and build a real estate empire. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more book summaries and personal finance tips. Let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway from the book on rental property investing is, or if there's another book you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.